That's what it takes just for one day together, where we fly away and we find all our dreams.
For the past years, may mga taong that questioning us bakit hindi pa tayo nagpapakasal. Na kahit ako, hindi ko masagot. Maybe we are not ready, not just financially, but emotionally. I'm just keep praying na sana dumating yung araw na to, na handa na tayo.
And time wouldn't wait, but it wouldn't have to. Forever I'd stay right there beside you, 'cause all that I need is always wherever you are.
But with the God grace, here we are. With presence of the Lord, with my family and friends. Indeed, God's timing is always perfect.
Let's get lost in a daydream. Over and over we'll fall, lost in time, never ending. Oh, 'cause I know.
Dearly beloved FCD and Philippa, you are here today to seal your love eternal bond before God and your witnesses. I assure you the prayers of our community that God pours abundant blessings on your love and help you to carry out the duties on your marriage day.
Let's sail away and chase the horizon. We'll lose track of days and won't try.
Hindi ako magsasawang mahalin ka. At sana hindi ka rin magsawang mahalin ako. Kaya asahan mo na hindi kita pababayaan. Lagi lang akong nandito para sa'yo. Susuportahan kita sa lahat ng bagay na gagawin mo.
Get lost and know that I'm found with you.
Thank you kasi mahal mo ang mama mo at mga kapatid mo. At thank you dahil kahit ganito ako may topak, maldita, tanggap mo kung ano ako.
Let's get lost in a daydream. Over and over we'll fall, lost in time, never ending. Oh, 'cause I know that this is where it begins. Oh,
Hindi man kita araw-araw napapasalamatan sa dami ng pinagdaan natin. Nandito ka pa rin sa tabi ko.
Sana patuloy na maging maligayang inyong pagsasama at masagana.
let's get lost in a daydream. Over and over.
Philippa, did you come here of your own free will to bind yourself forever in the love and service of your husband?
Yes, I do.
It's where it begins. Oh, we'll never reach the end. 'Cause I know it doesn't get better than this. Yeah, I know it doesn't get better than this.
Mahal na mahal kita. At alam ko na hindi perpekto ang relasyon nating, ngunit laking pasasalamat ko dahil kahit laging away-bati tayo, hindi mo pa rin ako nagagawang iwan. Kaya masasabi ko na napakaswerte ko sa'yo.
It took one look and forever laid out in front of me.
Madaming pagsubok, struggles, challenges, at malalang away na nahantong sa minsan paghihiwalay.
There I was, thought I had everything figured out.
It was long journey for us. Pero nagpapasalamat ako for choosing us over and over again para ayusin at itama ang lahat.
Thought I'd take one step away. Then I find myself coming back.
For you, Fina, love your husband, be a good housewife, persevering in faith, love, and holiness. And for you, James, love your wife as Christ loved His church, and live with her in the holy fear of the Lord.
Siguro nadulas.
Now I know not a thing.
I just want to say thank you dahil ang layo-layo mo na sa nakilala kong James noon, natambay sa kanto. Sa James ngayon, na napaka-responsableng asawa at ama ng anak natin.
If you told me that this wouldn't be easy.
Hindi man tayo perpekto na mag-asawa, pero pinipili pa rin natin ang isa't isa. Araw-araw, at kung may hihilingin man ako sa buhay, sana hanggang sa pagtanda, ikaw pa rin kasama.
One step away. Then I find myself coming back to you.
Absolutely. Did you come here of your own free will to bind yourself forever in the love and service of your wife?
Yes, I do. Hindi ako mag-asasawang intindihin ka, kahit tupakin at tampuhin ka, lagi kitang susuyuin. Salamat sa lahat. Mahal na mahal ko kayo ng anak natin.
I'm coming back to you, my one and only, one and only. I take one step, and I find myself coming back. And I find myself coming back.
I will support you, help you, guide you, be on your side, and I will love you until the end. I am yours. I love you.
So James, ibigay mo ngayon ang pinakamatamis mong halik sa iyong esposa sa labi